Hello and greetings from Uma Eye Clinic. I am Dr. Aditreya Varman and today I am going to explain about cataract surgery to you. So before we move on to what cataract surgery is and what occurs during the process of cataract surgery, one must be clear on what a cataract is exactly. Now if we look at the normal human eye anatomy, you know that there is a structure known as the crystalline lens which focuses the light appropriately so that it falls on the retina to give rise to a clear image. So what happens in cataract is this lens, which needs to focus the light appropriately, starts to opacify and cannot transmit light easily as it used to before. This gives rise to the drop in the quality of vision and the symptoms that people would experience when they have a cataract. So when does a cataract occur? So a cataract is going to occur to all of us. This is a normal age-related physiological process that happens to everyone over the age of 60. And if certain individuals or certain people have inborn diseases or they have systemic diseases such as diabetes, this cataract could also occur earlier in life. So once one has cataract, the only option to treat this cataract is to go for surgery. So what we do in cataract surgery is we would remove the opaque lens which cannot transmit light that easily and replace it with an artificial lens known as the intraocular lens, which will now act as the new lens of the eye, and this will transmit light efficiently and restore the vision that was lost due to the cataract. So one of the most frequently asked questions is, once you are diagnosed to be having a cataract, when do you get operated? So this is a question that is difficult to answer and depends entirely upon the patient's lifestyle habits. For example, when someone has a cataract and they do a lot of nighttime driving would be one of the most earliest affected activities of a person when they develop a cataract. Someone who has a cataract and does a lot of driving at night especially would be someone benefit from being operated early in life, as opposed to someone who doesn't do much of work related activities anymore and is only around the house most of the time. Such a person could delay surgery but cannot avoid it completely. So cataract surgery today is the most commonly performed surgery worldwide because, as I mentioned earlier, every one of us is going to develop cataract at some point of time. Due to the advancements in the medical field and the advancing technology, cataract surgery is also advanced to a very high level today. Right now, the gold standard for cataract surgery is known as phacoemulsification, where the whole procedure is done through only a small 2 mm incision, where the opaque lens is broken up into smaller pieces and taken out, and after which it will be replaced by a new intraocular lens. Surgery nowadays is being made more safer and more accurate with better and more recent advancements in measurement. We have devices that can accurately measure the parameters of the eye and very accurately determine the correct power of the lens that needs to be implanted in a person. We have other machines which can even look at light scatter and how the light is distributed in the eye, known as an aberrometer, which could help us to predict surgical outcomes and improve results for the patients. Also, newer developments in intraocular lenses are available today. So after cataract surgery, one could expect to remain glass-free not only for distance but also at the intermediate range where we do a lot of a computer work, and also at the near range at which all the reading work is done. So could you imagine a person who had been wearing spectacles all throughout their life, after the age of 60 when they develop cataract, by implanting one of these new lenses, they can expect to be spectacle free throughout their life. And this is a process in which we truly restore a person's vision almost back to their youthful state. More recent advances in cataract surgery have also come into play recently. There's a newer modality of cataract surgery where we use a robotic laser guided surgery to help us to break up the nuclear pieces more efficiently It makes the surgical incisions by itself, and all the crucial steps of the surgery are done by the laser, which improves the surgical efficiency and accuracy. We have newer modalities of visualization during the process of surgery, such as the 3D assisted cataract surgery, where the whole surgery can be viewed in 3 dimensions, which helps the surgeon a lot and is very comfortable for the surgeon to perform the whole surgery much more accurately and much more safely. So I hope I have very briefly explained about cataract and the newer advancements in cataract surgery to you. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop your questions in the comment box below, and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Thank you.